This is the book Mirror Work, and I'm going to show you what is there in this book. So the author of this book is Lucy Hay, and I've already said that she's a metaphysical teacher, lecturer, author, and for over 40 years through her books, workshops and online courses, she has helped people across the globe to discover and develop the ACVET. Here's the sticker to develop. मैं ये पार्ट में बॉक्स से काट दूंगा. हाँ, and develop their creative power for self-healing and personal growth. So this is actually a self-help book. Lucy Media presence includes appearance in the Oprah Winfrey Show. OWN. You can even search it on the YouTube. OWN, OWN, Oprah Winfrey Show, where she hosts many celebrities, many legends, many great people who have achieved great levels in their respective fields. So Lucy Hay has shown her appearance in that show, and so let's see what's there in this book. Bring the camera closer. So first is the Mirror Work System for Children. It's the publication's name. It's Hay House India's publications. To all those who are ready to experience the joy of mirror magic. Mirror magic. I don't know what mirror magic means by it. I have to read the whole book, and it is of how many pages? Really love to hear from you. Okay, it is of nearly. Wait, I'm fine. It is of nearly 184 pages. The last book reads that love yourself, do it now. Don't wait until you get well or lose weight or get a new job or find a new relationship. Begin loving yourself now and do the best you can. So by loving yourself, it means that value yourself, respect yourself. People resent themselves, hate themselves that they are not up to some certain marks. So what I have seen from other philosophical videos on YouTube and even on some self-help books, that in order to become successful or in order to live a happy life, we don't have to get a certain job or have to find a certain social circle or friend circle to achieve that happiness. We can even be happy without them, or when we are on the goal to or when we are on the mission to accomplish them. It's not that even if I get a certain job or certain level of success, then only I'm going to be happy. No, it's just an illusion. So I think it is meant about it. Take care of your body. It is written here. Show it here. Take care of your body. Learn about nutrition, because we are what we eat. We are actually what we eat. Our body, our skin, our hair, whatever, and the growth that has occurred from since we were infant to when we are adults or teenagers, it is because of the air that we have breathed and the food and water that we have intaken. So we are just made from that. So we have to learn about nutrition. The correct nutrition, the balanced diet. The diet which is good for our body systems, for our digestion systems, for every other system of the body. Have fun. Yes, it is important to have fun. The power. Let's open a random page. It's 117. It's page 117, and it is written here. The power is within you. Power is within you, and she has given certain tasks here. And it is another chapter, Love Yourself, a review of your second week. So I think she has given some, I think it is a 21-day self-work. She has shown that how in just 21 days we can master this simple technique but powerful practice as an ongoing support for positive transformation and self-care. So she is saying that within 21 days, actually 21 days is taken to form a new habit, as I have heard. So she says that she claims that in 21 days we can positively transform ourselves, and even with some self-care activities. I have been teaching people how to do mirror work as long as I have been teaching affirmations. The most powerful affirmations are those you say out loud when you are in front of a mirror, looking deeply into your eyes. So affirmations, as we know, are very powerful. Words that we speak out, the thoughts which is in our mind, they are very powerful, that it can shape and alter our reality. What else? Love your inner child. Love your inner child part 2. Today you use mirror work to forgive the past and begin to love the beautiful child within. It is said that every adult, every grown adult has a part of child hidden within him or inside him. How are you and your inner child doing today? Are you getting to know each other a little better? I have found that working with the inner child is extremely valuable in helping to heal the hurts of the past. We are not always in touch with feelings of the frightened little child within us. Well, it is deep. The next page, building your self-esteem. I don't believe it. That was her affirmation. The next day, she was back to wearing her contacts. She wouldn't allow herself to believe she had created perfect eyesight, and her disbelief was confirmed. The universe gave her exactly what she asked for. This is how powerful our thoughts are. So she must have began with some negative thoughts and informations which has resulted some unwanted or bad things which nobody wants, and I have come across these things even before. So if you are into these things that Nikola Tesla has discovered, if you want to know the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency and vibrations, and that our mind actually emits certain kind of frequencies that and we actually attract whatever we want. So if you are already know about these things, so the extract which I have read just now, you would have known its meaning very clearly, although these things are very deep. Then what else? The power is within you. I find that most of the problems in our lives are caused by what I call the big four: criticism, fear, guilt and resentment. This was even there in the book The Game of Seven and How to Play It. The line, I find that most of the problems in our lives are caused by what I call the big four: criticism, criticizing others, fearing any situation of person or personalities, guilt, when we feel guilty about doing something, and resentment. Resentment means hating someone, a situation or a person. So these things that take a toll on our reality, on our inner health. Even these feelings which you term as negative feelings, the feelings which are not good to feel, they harm our body. Anger, stress, they harm our internal system, and nobody likes to feel it. What? We all want to be happy. Inside us, we all want to be happy. Letting go of your past, the chapter's name. So this is actually a self-help book. I have just bought it today, and I received it through the Flipkart order, and I hope it will be very useful to me, very beneficial to me, and I have made a very good decision in buying this book. Actually, it was out of pure intuition. I was just scrolling through the Flipkart pages, and then I came across this book, Lucy Hay's Mirror Work, and then I felt something inside me that I should be buying this book. Although this book was actually 628 rupees, but I still felt impelled to buy this, and I just bought it, and today I received this order. So it's 628. So I think this is a great book, and even our gratitude is written there. Living your attitude of gratitude. So you can see here, dates of day 19. Living your attitude of gratitude. Today is devoted to thanking life for all its many gifts and learning how to live with an attitude of gratitude every day. Attitude of gratitude every day. So when Oprah Winfrey has said that be grateful for everything that you have, and then the universe shall multiply it. This is one of my favorite quotes. Did you know that prosperity and gratitude go hand in hand? This is a very interesting and very fantastic line I have seen here. Do you know that prosperity and gratitude go hand in hand? Yes, even Conor McGregor says that gratitude is one of the keys to his success. Gratitude for everything that we have in life, for the persons we have in life, for all the little things that we have in our life. The food that we get, the pure water, the air that we breathe in, and many other things. It's of day 19, so it's 21 days work. I don't think it is on. It is my personal opinion that these things need to be practiced daily. I think throughout our life. So I don't think it is just a 21 days thing. It can be for 21 years throughout our lifetime. Mirror work has been Lucy Hay's signature method for cultivating a deeper relationship with yourself and others, and leading a rich and meaningful life. Yes, this is a great book. New York Times bestseller, author of You Can Heal Your Life, Lucy Hay's book Mirror Work, and I do recommend you to read this book. Either you can purchase it on Flipkart or Amazon or whatever site that you prefer, or you can even download its PDF on the internet. Or if you don't find it, you can contact me and I shall send you it. I shall scan this book and send you the PDF. Although it is pirated version and it's not good to do that, but still I will do it for you. So this is my review of this book. I might give the review of this book after reading it fully. So thanks for watching to the end.